man. That thing's, it's looking out here. That 142, man, hey, that 142, that thing got, I think I've seen one of those. I don't remember, what's that sideband on?
It's an old base station with sideband, correct? Yeah, it's a real good talker, man. I had it tuned up and, I don't know, on its own, it's probably swinging 20, 25 or something. But no, it's just been a great radio ever since I got it fired up. Talks clean and mean on sideband. Just does a great job. I've been happy with it. Hey, I got a little video rolling right here, right now. Maybe I'll make a little short or something. So key down, give me them numbers one more time. All right, 308, man. I'm going to ease off and break away clean.